Hey, this is Christine with Biosource Naturals. I am also a teacher, and so especially during this time of the year, I wanted to also let you know what I keep around in either my backpack or my desk is our Bandits essential oil blend. It has the pure essential oils of, cinnamon, clove, lemon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. I think I got them all. And the cool thing about our roll-ons is they're already pre-diluted in a carrier oil. This one has sweet almond oil, so you don't need to carry anything separate. These are ready to go. And so, especially as a teacher, I am trying to keep as healthy as I can throughout the year. So this is one of my go-to, have with me all the time, is our Bandits essential oil blend. And it's also great for cleaning. So at home, I'll keep the concentrate, but this one I have with me all the time at school. Bandits essential oil blend, must have. I love this. I sometimes just, rub it on my feet. And sometimes I rub a little bit on my hands if I'm super busy and I can't get to the bathroom to wash my hands and I just want something. This is it. Bandits essential oil blend. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.